Today we're going to be talking about the solenoid valves and how to replace them, and being able to somehow troubleshoot them as well. Essentially what this valve is, it controls the water flow through the mat washer, depending on if it is selected for wash or shampoo or dry brush. These valves are normally closed, so if there's no power applied to them, no water can actually get going through. Something you want to do, take notice in regards to this, you want to look on the bottom of them. It's kind of hard to see here. There you go. You'll see that there is an arrow, and that shows the direction of the water flow. If you put these things in backwards, they will not work. So I'm going to go run over to a machine here, and we'll take a look at how to put this in. Okay, now we are actually back at a new machine here, and you can see the solenoid valves here, and here, and you'll see this one actually has a mixer valve in line with it. This helps you out with troubleshooting. If you're having problems or you're not getting any water to the machine back up here to come out the manifold, but it's only on either wash or shampoo, this one with the solenoid valve on it would be the shampoo line, and this one here would be the wash line, right? The one without the mixer valve. Oh, okay, now go ahead and we're going to go ahead and change these things. These are actually twist-ons to make it actually relatively easy to do. I got a new one here for us. First thing I'm going to do is make sure the machine is powered off. We unplug it. And then we just twist it off here. There you go. It's back out now, right now. The solenoid has now been removed. In order to, if you can take a look inside here, you'll see that there is actually rubber seals on both of these, where it just screws back on here. You put your new solenoid in its place, minding the direction of water flow. Water will always flow this direction, and plug it back in. Oh, one quick note here. It's not polarized here. It doesn't make a difference which electrical it goes on. It's non-polarized, so it can go on either one here. So don't worry about that. So if you got any questions, feel free. Email us. Leave comments down below. Thank you. Have a good day.